The side doors are on tracks, so you can actually just slide one door over and then slide the other door over.
Today we're going to be putting together this cabinet. Here are all the pieces. Comes with multiple pieces. Here's all the screws and brackets and the manual. Let's get started. Getting the doors ready. Instructions are pretty easy to follow. Everything's labeled. This is midway, step 6. We're gonna go ahead and screw on the legs. Just building the third and final drawer.
Just gotta put on the 2 tracks. So the tracks go like this, wheels towards the back, but it's all pretty clearly explained in the manual. And then put the tracks in. Easiest way is just set the screw in into the pre-made holes. Just set the screw in. The whole hole is just screw, and then give it a little tighten. Again, put the screw in the pre-made hole. And this whole thing has all the holes already pre-drilled, so. Okay, take it off. Then slide right in. Okay, here's our finished product. Looks pretty nice, I do say so myself. 3 drawers, 2 side doors. The side doors are on tracks, so you can actually just slide one door over and then slide the other door over. Get whatever you need in here. And when they're closed, you have access to all 3 drawers. So, a lot of storage space. Very nice looking, very sleek.